What's the meaning of affix? Affix. 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 The term affix refers to a morpheme that is attached to a word base or stem to form a new word. The affix can come before the base prefix or after the base suffix. For example, the word unhappy is formed by adding the prefix un to the base word happy. Similarly, the word understandable is formed by adding the suffix able to the base word understand. Affixes are commonly used in many languages and play an important role in word formation and understanding the meaning of new words.